Touch your hand on that skateboard one more time, I swear to you.
Oh no, my lens.
You killed the lens, dude.
It's all right.
All right, guys, we're super excited to be here today with a brand new skateboard ramp. Just got built, not even painted. So I decided, you know what? Let's put these guys to the test. They're looking young, they're looking hungry, and they want to do the highest.
I'm so hungry. Ow, I'm hungry.
The highest Ollie challenge off of this, which I think they can do a lot more. I think, what's our record off of the bank? 12? I think I might just sit this one out because Gabe broke my finger. No big deal.
Jason broke me yesterday. No big deal.
You did?
I broke Gabe yesterday at mini golf. You want to tell him about that, Gabe?
You actually raged and he didn't rage.
Actually, let me get the record straight. Mini golf, Gabe was feeling good. Guess who won? Then we decided to play some Mario Kart. Guess who won again? It's not about me winning, really. It's more about Gabe being crushed. That was the cool
More
part.
about my lack of any good performance yesterday.
It's a sad, sad world.
Yeah.
All right, so let's start this out, champions. So the guy who ollies the most boards, $100. Let's go.
Oh, dang it. I wish I could launch out of ramps now. I'm not good at the little curvies. I'm more of like a straight incline kind of guy.
Jason's got a wedding coming up. He needs this $100. It's gonna go towards it.
I need it. That's $100 for my wedding.
Let's go.
I'm desperate.
Dude, that thing is scary.
That thing?
No, that.
I know. He literally went like this high.
Yep.
Okay.
They're flying.
Maybe I shouldn't stand right here. I'm gonna host.
Come on this side.
I'm gonna host from over here. Should we move this over?
Probably.
Yeah, Jason.
Oh, that was a good
Yeah,
one.
boy. Come help me move it over.
Wait, how much distance is needed for a launch like this?
I think that's about good. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Ollie, Mowgli, Ollie. He didn't ollie. He went the highest. Kind of glow border. Wow! So bad. Flying Hawaiian!
Oh, he almost did not make that.
Glow did not know how to ride this ramp. Okay, he needs to move it back about here. Uzi, he's so emo. And speaking of which, where's Aussie? It's that putty that's on there. It's getting on my fingers.
Oh,
Oh! Dang! That might be what does it.
No.
Yeah, that counts.
Oh my gosh, he ollied that one.
Okay.
Dang, Eric. Where'd you get those?
You'd think that with a broken finger I couldn't carry 14 skateboards, but I can.
Broken?
Which one is the gimp finger? What do you mean which one is broken? But now touch your hand on that skateboard one more time, I swear to you.
Oh, he's figuring it
See?
out.
It's the early pop. They're beginning to believe. Do you know who's in San Francisco right now?
Keanu Reeves,
Keanu,
right?
dude, we have to get him over here. If anybody knows Keanu Reeves, let him know. Come to the Braille House and skate. We could make the best videos. There you go, 5. Just kidding.
Man, you gotta believe in
my
yourself.
You can do it. Everyone did except Uzi, right? Uzi, go. You got it. My shoes are full of slime.
Broke my leg.
Are you okay?
Yeah, my shoes are all slimy.
You can do this, dude. You got this.
That's getting pretty tall.
All right, we're up to 6, guys.
At least 3 feet.
Let's see what you got.
What's up, Dan?
I hurt my knee falling off of the quarter pipe.
Oh!
Dang, Glow!
Watching Glow evolve in this video is the best thing ever.
Look at his face. I love that look. Did you ollie it already?
He did.
Oh, ollie it.
He ollied it already.
You did 6, okay. That's what I love about Jason. No matter what's happening, he's landing on that board. We're up to 7 boards here. 7.
That's an impeccable method, my friend.
I think we need to move it back.
Why can the $100 be for anything else?
The thing that really started slowing us down on the other time before on this is because you had to push from outside and then jump. But this quarter pipe's helping.
Did I clear it?
Where are you, John Hill?
Oh!
1 second.
What do you mean 1 second? He thinks he's out skateboarding. Okay,
Inside now. What's up, man?
quick question.
Talk to me.
Do you remember when you did the high ollie challenge like this?
Yeah.
How many boards did you do?
I think it was 7.
7? No.
No, because he did it on flat.
Oh, wait, no. I'm thinking of on flat.
Yeah, on flat he did 7. How many off the ramp?
I literally can't remember.
Oh no.
You guys have a video.
I know, but I couldn't find it for some reason. I was like looking for it. Right now we're at 8. We built a new ramp. We're trying to beat your record, but we can't remember what it is.
Well, you should look up the Spencer video because Spencer did 1 more than me.
Spencer did 1 more than him. Okay. That one I can find. Thanks, brother. Where are you?
I'm in Texas. I'm actually here filming Nick and Mikey to my company.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, it's hopeless. Does that count? Oh my gosh.
I feel like your feet came off the board here and they didn't land back on the board till like over here.
I don't know how that worked.
Now you gotta do 9.
I'll try it. I'll probably get hurt. Oh my God. Ow.
Body! He was totally fine, and he landed, and then his entire body just went straight to the floor. Glow. I feel like Glow should tap out at this point.
I tried my hardest. I'll give my board up on that.
I thought you were gonna nut on the board.
You should not, don't say
You
that.
were like this. Woo!
Yes.
That was solid. He's got 10. He's got 10 easy.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
He has the best falls out of anyone. Like he just ragdolls, he doesn't catch himself.
He's literally like Call of Meat and Skate 3.
Yeah.
He hippie jumped it.
Dang it! It was almost there, it's okay.
11.
Oh no, my lens.
You killed the lens, dude.
It's all right.
It's not all right. Look at that. Dead. Oh, man.
Come on, Jason.
This is a tie for the record.
Wait, no, wait. 13's the record. Sorry, no.
12. He did 12.
Spencer did 12?
Yeah.
Yeah! Should we move it back or is it good?
So Spencer Barton did this off a bank. It was at Fremont, and there was also some other obstacles that makes it harder. Like he basically like landed into a quarter pipe. Okay, maybe it's a little too far away. Oh yeah, baby. We got the pink one on top.
This is the record right here. That was like 15. So close. Put door behind, yeah.
Here, let's see.
That looks so funny.
I'm all right.
What do you mean?
I'm all right.
You
My
gonna
gut's
stop?
just telling me to just chill. I'm cool.
You want to stop at 13?
I'm stopping at 13.
I'm so wrong.
I'm pretty sure you would.
Huh?
I'm gonna go poop.
Oh, then you're good.
Go poop and then do 14.
Let's go! You got this.
That's so
You
hard.
got this.
It was either gonna happen to him or me.
Oh, at least he didn't make it all the way to the flat. Like he hit like kind of before it.
At least you have a jacket on too.
You hit kind of before the flat at least too.
All right, that was amazing. These guys are incredible. How do they do it? I don't know. That's amazing. Look at that. It's taller than Brenda.
That's unbelievable.
I mean, look.
Looking at it from down.
It's Brenda.
Looking at it from down here is just unreal.
For everyone in the comments that thinks Brenda's name is Brenda, you are correct. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. You guys are amazing. Let's go, Braille Army. See you in the next video.